just so easy, but too much you need TV, red carpet dreaming, interview so recent.
Shortly after the reporters left the courtroom, there was a very brief additional proceeding on the record. It lasted about 30 seconds, and it consisted of Judge Revelle informing Ms. Lohan.
Hey! Shut up!
The on-the-record proceeding, which lasted 30 seconds or so, involved Judge Revelle informing Ms. Lohan and her lawyer that a specific appointment had been made for her first visit with the probation department. And that will be Thursday of this week.
Thursday this week?
Thursday of this week.
Where's that going to be?
I can't get into where it's going to be. The location was not disclosed in open court. It was provided to counsel, but it was not part of the open what occurred on the record.
Does she have a bracelet yet?
She has a bracelet.
She has?
The SCRAM bracelet has just been installed. That's what the delay was. And when she left here, it was on her.
Can you explain what the bracelet actually, Alan, can you explain to us, and can you let them go to the microphones too, what the SCRAM bracelet actually does and doesn't do?
Well,
there's nothing you can do about that. It's going to be here.
No, not you.
well, my understanding is that the SCRAM bracelet, and SCRAM stands for Secure Continuous Remote Alcohol Monitor, is that it senses when the person wearing it is drinking. And there is a modem that you have at your home that downloads information from the bracelet every day and transmits that to a central server someplace in the monitoring station. It took a while because the company that provides it, their office is in Long Beach. Those of you who have driven to Long Beach from here probably can sympathize about the traffic. So there was no other reason for that amount of time to be consumed except we had to wait for them to get here.
Do you know if she can have any considerable amount of alcohol?
I don't know. I didn't see it being put on, and I didn't notice as she walked through the courtroom.
Alan, can you start over again because of the beat? With what the reporters missed.
Okay. After the reporters left the courtroom, there was a brief, as in 30-second proceeding that occurred on the record. It was not Judge Revelle's intention to do anything additionally on the record. It just came up, and it was occasioned by the fact that she contacted the probation department and had made an initial appointment for Ms. Lohan to see them, which is Thursday of this week. The location, the phone number, all of that information is not disclosed on the record. It's been provided to Ms. Lohan's counsel. The other issue is that as you saw her leaving here, the SCRAM bracelet had been installed by the company that provides that service.
Describe the SCRAM bracelet again, please.
You know, I didn't see it.
Because you were characterizing describing.
Well, it stands for Secure Continuous Remote Alcohol Monitor, and it's a device that senses through the skin when a person has been drinking, and then downloads that information by a modem that you keep at your home to the company's central server. And then whatever the company does in terms of its protocols, they would notify the court if some threshold number of violations or incidents occur.
And she needs to keep this until the next court hearing?
I did not hear Judge Revelle say that that's the end of it. I think that she'll have it on until the next court hearing, which is the hearing on probation revocation. And at that point, whatever the outcome of that hearing is, then a decision would be made about whether the SCRAM bracelet stays.
So you can't leave her before that? You can't take it off?
Not and be consistent with what the judge ordered, no. It's got to be on continuously.
The new appointment with the probation officer, is that something that will be ongoing? She hadn't met with them before, is that right? So is this a new condition of the
Well, probation was revoked last week by Judge Revelle, so this is putting conditions on a situation where she is no longer on probation. It was revoked. The hearing is to go back over that and for the judge to make a more long-standing decision.
With the new probation officer.
Just so easy.